Hello everyone, my name is Diane and I work with Information Services at Belleville Public Library. This is the craft instruction video for making the Mother's Day photo card. In your craft kit, you will have the craft instructions, a pre-made card made here on the Cricut machine at the library, and one piece of white insert paper. At home, you'll need to provide the picture you're going to insert into the card, scissors, and tape or glue. The card was pre-cut on the Cricut machine, and the idea is that you're going to place the pictures in the part that says Mom. It's also been scored so it's easy to fold. Take your picture and size it to the card, and in the next step, you will cut out the picture. I chose a collage of pictures, so I'm taking some time to arrange them and fit them to the area of the word Mom so they fit in and display the way I'd like them to. Once you're happy with the placement of the picture, turn the card over and tape it to the inside of the card. Don't worry if the picture doesn't cover all the open area of the word Mom, because you'll be putting a white insert in and that will finish it off nicely. Take your white sheet of paper in the kit, fold it in half, place it inside the card, and tape it in place. Once the insert is in place, fold the card, turn it over, and you're ready to write a lovely message. Happy Mother's Day to the best mom ever.